Welcome back to another video of Conman the Random. Today we're going to be talking about a very new channel. Just discovered it today. I don't know what his channel is going to be about, but and I'm going to recommend, I'm telling you, you got to go subscribe to this guy. I've never read, his description is simply Samson, a single guy who experiments with cooking, random recipes that work. Join July 8th, 2020. He has no videos. I'm his first subscriber. His first ever subscriber. He has no other channels. That says. Yep, he's on my subscriptions now. And now, let's zoom in on here. Yep, this is his logo, Simply Samson. And yeah, go check out every single tab. Subscribe and turn on notifications. This is not my channel. Check out all these pages. And yeah! Make sure to like and subscribe.